Hi, my name is Cindy Castillo with Castillo Law. Today I'd like to talk to you about going back to school. Now, some of you may be entering into your junior or senior year. Others may be entering college for the very first time. It's important that you understand as you get older, with age comes responsibility. I'd like to talk to you about what to do if you're in a situation where you may have crossed the line with the law. Now, it's very important that you understand that it's never okay to break the law. But if you're in a situation where perhaps you may have gone to a college party where alcohol was being served, and perhaps that college party gets raided by police, what do you do? What are your rights in that situation? Well, my advice is always that you remain silent and that you ask to speak with an attorney before you make any admissions and before you consent to a portable breath test where the officers may be trying to determine whether or not you have any alcohol in your system. It's important for you to understand that you do have rights and that you have the right to speak with an attorney. Another common scenario for individuals who are going back to school and attending these parties where alcohol may be served is individuals who try to get home while they are under the influence. Now, there are some circumstances where you may be in the car with another individual who has also been drinking, and you're in a situation where he is now under the influence of alcohol and driving. Obviously, the best thing for you to do is stop the car immediately, get out and call a cab or call a friend. If, in fact, you're in a situation where you may be stopped for driving under the influence, very important that you understand that you have the right immediately to speak with an attorney, and I would advise you that you should ask to speak with an attorney before you are asked to do any field sobriety test or before you agree or consent to do any type of test. Finally, there is another very common situation with individuals who are going back to school, and this often happens to college-age men who attend these parties where there are young females who attend the parties as well. Some of these females are actually underage, and even though they may be consenting females, it's very important that the law does not distinguish between consenting underage females and non-consenting underage females. If you are over the age of 18 and you are engaging in acts that are compromising with these young females, you are putting yourself in a situation where you may end up being charged with an offense that could have lifelong consequences. It's very important that you understand that these are very serious charges. I would counsel you that you should not engage in this situation, but if you do, it's very, very important that you speak with an attorney before you speak with any law enforcement individuals if you have been investigated for this situation or if you're in a situation where you may be investigated. I hope that this video is informative to you, and I hope that if you have any questions that you would give my office a call. I hope that you don't get into this situation, but if you do, feel free to give me a call. I do provide free consultations.